Hey guys, Dave Skelly here at Just Sweat Fitness Studio. Today I just want to go through a quick video on self-massage and stretching techniques for lower back pain, hip pain, and any pain you get shooting through your hip into your leg. First one is very simple. We're going to sit down. All you're going to do is just pull knee into your chest. I'll show you it. I go sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Just pull your knee into your chest, sit tall. You might already start to feel a little bit of a stretch here right on the outside of your hip. You want to get the glutes and the piriformis. You get a little bit more of a stretch. You're going to cross that leg over. Just really try and just pull that knee in. You should feel a nice, easy stretch just come along the outside of the hip into the glutes. Now, if you're a little bit more flexible, you can let that knee just kind of drop down to the side and lean forward into it. You can also get a good hamstring stretch in that opposite leg as well. Now, one of my favorites for hips, and especially the piriformis, which is a really hard muscle to stretch, it's a yoga move. I think they call it pigeon pose. So you want to get your knee and your ankle flat on the ground. Your shin is just completely rested there. Back leg, you shoot straight out. You want to just sit down, get your hips nice and low. You feel a good stretch right here in the glutes. Again, each stretch you're going to hold maybe 20, 30 seconds. A little bit longer if there is a lot of stiffness or tightness there. Now, we're going to move on to some self-massage, or myofascial release is what we call it. We're going to start with the foam roller. And again, we're just working on the glutes. So again, I'm just demonstrating on the left side. Make sure you work both sides. So pretty much the same way with their glute stretch. You're going to cross the ankle over to your knee. Just bend that knee a little bit. This is going to help get a little bit of a stretch in the piriformis so we can help isolate when we roll. Then just lean over very slowly. You want to roll back and forth and side to side. Now lean over a little bit more and then go back into setting. You got to roll, make sure you get all those muscles in there. And what we're looking for is any sort of tightness, any knots in those muscles. If you find a knot, you want to hold on that knot for about 30 seconds. Think of it like acupressure. You're pressing into the knot, helping it release, and letting those muscles go back to full flexibility. Now, the foam roller is one of the easier ways of doing the myofascial release. Not everybody has one at home, but if you don't, I suggest you get one. You can get one Treadmill Factory, Running Room, Runner's Choice. They're not that expensive. Or, something most people will have at home is a tennis ball. Again, it's exactly the same thing. I'm just going to turn around so you can see. Place the tennis ball on the ground. I start my stretch. And then all I'm going to do is just kind of shift over. And then sit on the tennis ball. So get tennis ball working right into those glutes, right into the piriformis. And the same thing as the foam roller, you want to kind of move around. You want to try and find the knots, find the tender areas in the muscle. And it can be a little bit painful, it can be sore. But again, that's just it's a sign that you need to do it a little bit more often and keep stretching. And just work a little bit more on stretching when you cool down after a workout. Again, same thing, you find a knot, you want to hold it for about 30 seconds, then we start rolling again. Trying to see if we can find some more knots. If not, we move over to the other side, we do it all again on the other side. Now again, these are great techniques to use after a workout, especially if you do a really intense workout, lots of squats or a lot of lower body work in there, help those muscles recover a little bit more. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video.